Is your dog scared of fireworks? Halloween dogs and fireworks. If you've recently adopted a dog or bought a dog or are you minding a dog, you may need to start preparing him or her for all the noises from fireworks during Halloween. A few days before Halloween, start preparing your dog by creating a safe space that is away from noises, maybe a bit darker than the rest of the house, and with lots of bedding. So you create a little nest where he or she will feel safe and secure. Read about the guidelines from animal charities. I can link some in the description. And also, why not play some fireworks video in the background as a way to desensitize your dog. Please let me know how you get on.